How to add to cart button to your Shopify collection page. Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you step by step how to do so. It is very simple, so let's just go ahead and get to it. First, just go and log into your Shopify admin, go to online store, themes, and click on edit theme. From here you just simply want to go to your collection page or collection, doesn't really make a difference. I have this dummy one right here. And I did not even add a collection just yet, so let's just go and do that together. We're just going to go to template, add section, scroll down until we find featured collection, and I'm going to go for the grid one. Now we need to select the actual collection we want to use, so we can just click from the left side here and select the proper collection. Now what I'm going to do to make the add to cart button actually look good, I'm just going to click on any media piece here from any product. And then I'm just going to click on aspect ratio and make sure that it is square. Now I'm just going to go back and now we're going to be adding the actual add to cart. So we simply just want to click on the left side here. We should be able to find template and the collection. We want to click on the arrow next to featured collection. Scroll down until we find the product card here. So from here, you just want to click on add block beneath the product card. And you simply just want to add the buy buttons. Now it's going to be at the top at first, but we simply just want to scroll down from the left and move it to be at the bottom. I mean, personally, I prefer it that way. So I'm just going to go ahead and make it beneath the price point. Next up, what I'm going to do, I'm also going to hide the buy it now and the quantity, but you can feel free to keep them if you want to. So in order to do so, you just want to click on the arrow next to buy buttons and hide the quantity and hide the accelerated checkout if needed. And you can even just keep the quantity if you want. It doesn't really make a difference. You can even hide the price if you don't want it, or you can hide the product title or even the media. But now we have our add to cart button is going to be working for each individual product as it should be. Just make sure you save from the top right corner and you're good to go. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.